from verse 18 with Amplified Classic. A good, healthy tree.
Thank you. That's what I wanted. A good, healthy tree. Remember, for the tree to be healthy, it starts with a seed. Let's go.
A good, healthy tree cannot bear bad, worthless fruit.
It cannot bear worthless fruit. So Jesus says, you will know them by their fruit. You can be known by a fruit, but yet worthless. It's worthless. Because I number you. Let's go.
A good, healthy tree cannot bear bad, worthless fruit.
Bad, worthless. It's not only bad, it's also worthless. Marasteli. Marasi. You get it now? Go on.
Nor can a bad, deceased tree bear excellent fruit, worthy of admiration.
Worthy of admiration. So what causes the fruit to be admired? Huh? What causes the fruit to be admired? It's not only seeing the fruit. It's coming close to the fruit and finding the seed inside. Because the purpose of a seed, when it dies, it wants to find itself on a fruit. It dies in the ground, but it must also travel through the stems, through the branches, and go to the fruit. It goes to the fruit. It's planted in the ground, but it's found also in the fruit. Ufaka in ama-benches phansi. Kuvela i-benches kunendumba futhi kuphi. So it means the seed traveled. It did what? It traveled. It's not worthless. It's not useless. It reproduced itself in a fruit. So you shall know them by their fruit. Do you still find the same Christ who sent them? Because one can be sent. Along the way, they become worthless. Remaining with the fruit without a seed. Without a seed. Meaning they become disconnected with God. God?
Nor can a bad, diseased tree bear excellent fruit.
It's dead, it's diseased, but it's bearing fruit. God?
Worthy of admiration. Verse 19. Every tree that does not bear good fruit.
Every tree that does not bear good fruit. There is fruit, there is good fruit. There is fruit, there is good fruit. According to farmers, when the fruit is good, it has given the farmer a seed as well. So many believers, but when you come close, you search deep. What is in them, God cannot reproduce it. God cannot raise someone like them again. Because it became a fruit, not a good fruit. A fruit, not a good fruit. The moment God reproduces himself in a person, it's easy for God to take what is in that person and put in somebody else. It's a good fruit. It's a good fruit. A bad fruit, when they cut, if I whoop it, it means I kubeki. Yimbi. Mariteli le marayin yimbi. I fulfillang a purpose yembewu. Imbewu ayizitholanga phakathi kwesithelo. Go on.
every tree that does not bear good fruit is cut down and cast into the fire.
And cast into the fire.
Siphoswe emlilweni.
Because of a bad fruit.
Ngenxa nje yesithelo esibi.
Because of a bad fruit.
Ngenxa yesithelo esibi.
Go on.
Verse 20. Therefore, you will fully know them.
Now, you will fully know them. You will fully know them.
Usobazi ngokuphelele.
By their fruits.
By their fruits.
Ngokwezithelo zabo.
By their fruits. So one can be that fruit, but lacking the seed.
Umuntu angaba yileso sithelo kodwa angabi nambewu.
So it means people will not fully know
Usho ukuthi abantu abazukwazi ngokuphelele
who you are
ukuthi ungubani.
in Christ Jesus.
uKristu Jesu.
People will not know who you are.
Angeke
Because
bakwazi ukuthi ubani.
they don't find the seed.
Ngoba imbewu abayitholi.
The one who sent you is not in you
Lo okuthumile akekho kuwe kwamanje.
anymore. He's no longer in
Akasekho
you.
nhlobo.
You're on your own.
Usuwedwa.
Seedless fruit.
Isithelo ke singenambewu.
Bese abanye bathi sidla ama grapes kanjani? Are seedless. Mara uyalidla le grapes mara lisanambewu. Let reproduce. No. Lenzile laqeda. After that it can't be ayisakhona ukusebenza esandleni sowane solotshalayo. It's useless.
Seliyizeleze.
It's useless.
Seliyinto eyize nje.
Go on.
Therefore, you will fully know them by their fruits.
By their fruits.
Verse 21. Not everyone who says to me, Lord, Lord, will enter the kingdom of heaven.
Not everyone who says Lord, Lord will enter the kingdom.
Siba bonke abathi inkosi inkosi
They are
abayobona
fruits,
ubuso.
but not good fruits.
Okusho ukuthi bayizithelo
They
kodwa
are
cha.
saying Lord, Lord,
Bathi inkosi inkosi.
but the Lord is not in them.
Kodwa inkosi ayikho kubo.
The Lord is not in them.
Akekho kubo inkosi.
The Lord is not in them.
Inkosi ayikho kubo.
So it's a fruit. Lord, Lord, Lord. Ngiyipentshisi, mara indumba yikho.
Yeah.
Ngiyipentshisi. Abadala bezana, pentshisi. Eish mara yazi limnandi. Ngathi ngalitshala futhi. Alinandumba. Aliphindeki.
Yeah.
It must be cut and bent.
Kumele liqhunyweke bese liyashiswa.